Hello and welcome back to Black Bear Forge. Today I thought we would take a look at another twist pattern, or sort of kind of a twist pattern, because frequently I don't fully twist this to get it to show the pattern I want. Sometimes I'm just offsetting it a little bit, and that'll all make sense as we get onto the video. This is a version of the Rubics cube twist. Sometimes I see it referred to as a dice twist because people will stamp all of the little parts of the element so that it looks like dice, and it's kind of a popular handle for things like bottle openers. Now to do this twist, I'm going to start with a piece of 5/8 square bar. I just kind of cut this randomly to length just to demonstrate the twist. So that's about, 15 millimeters square. I've cut it 5 1/4 inches long, so about 130 millimeters long. Doesn't really matter, we're discussing technique, not a finished project. The key to this technique really is the layout. You want cubes. You don't want random rectangles. You want as close to cubes. So for 5/8 bar, we need to lay out cut lines every 5/8 of an inch. And most of this is going to be done with a hacksaw. It's not something I typically would do with a chisel hot. I think it needs more precision than that. So I've taken this and I've laid out 5/8 inch marks here. And I've gone all the way around so I can saw those as evenly as possible. Now I want to saw in just a little bit at each one of these lines. Remember, the idea here is not to cut all the way through. And the more you cut, the weaker it becomes. So I'm only going to go about 1/8 of an inch in. That'll leave essentially a 3/8 bar in the middle. And I finish it up just by cutting down into the corners. So one really wants to slip in the vise. Now we're ready to put the twist into it. If you're going to do dice, you would stamp each one of these like a regular 6-sided die with whatever dot pattern you wanted. Now you can always twist this up with a regular twisting wrench, but I've always liked just offsetting each cube just 45 degrees as opposed to a regular twist. So I just use 2 wrenches. That could be a little bit hotter though. Like many things, it's way better if you got it hot enough. So it's just a matter of holding one cube with a wrench and then twisting the cube next to it. And I just like that because that guarantees me that my ridges all line up in a row, and I kind of like that instead of having the spiral effect, but it's just entirely up to how you see yours. And of course, straightening it over a wood stump with a rawhide mallet keeps you from deforming things too much. It's really just that simple. I hope you have time in your day to get out to your shop, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.